Hi guys, so I just finished using these Pilgrim products which I was sent to by the Pilgrim code. This is the new brand on the market and I wanted to test it out and let you know what I feel about it. And as you can see that my face is clean and I have no makeup on it because I've just used it. And if you want to know what I think about this brand and whether you should go for it or not, then just keep watching. So I woke up just now. This is my morning face. I'm going to start off with the Pilgrim's Volcanic Lava Ash face wash with Yug Dugu and White Lotus. I believe that's what you call it. So this is a decent amount because you don't want to take much on your face. You really need very little amount. Spread around your face. Do not get it into your eye because it's not healthy. Time to rinse. First time using it, so I am not the best reviewer, but then this feels really good. This feels very moisturized. My skin does not feel dry and very stretchy when usually it happens when you use face washes. And ideally they advise you to use it twice a day, but I feel like you should use a face wash whenever you have to, because if you're traveling, if you're wearing makeup, or you have oily skin, or the weather is not so good, you need to use it accordingly, so you can use it whenever you want to, whenever you think you need a face wash for your face. So the next product is our face mask, and this is the Volcanic Lava Ash face mask with Yug Dugu and White Lotus again. So comes with this applicator. I think this is really cute. It just reminds me of those old days when the girls used to take care of their skin using all these utensils. It's very cute, and I don't know, it's got a really nice scent to it. And let me check the ingredients. So it's got almond oil, olive oil, hydrolyzed soya beans, stearic acid, aqua, kaolin, emulsifying wax, volcanic lava ash, sesame oil, phenoxyethanol, a lot of other stuff, but of course white lotus extract and Yug Dugu extract. I need to find out what it exactly is because it's really fancy, and these products look very fancy. These are made in India. So the face wash is worth 350 rupees and this face mask is costing 550 rupees. So that's on the price, and this is the first time I'm opening it. This is what it looks like. Let me open the top layer. I don't know if it's okay. So this actually looks like a mud mask. I've used mud masks before. It smells really good. I really like it. So I have a lot of product in here, so I'm just going to use this and I'm going to apply it on my face. The good thing about this applicator is that you're not wasting any product, it's not getting in your hands, and it is giving you an even face mask all over your face. Okay. What this face mask claims to be doing is it reduces wrinkles, fine lines, and also controls pigmentation. That is what it claims, but we're not going to get any of that with our first try, of course. A lot of times when we use such products, we really get itchy and it starts burning after a point of time. This applicator is really good for sanitation purposes as well, because we're not dipping our fingers and we're not contaminating the whole product and everything. So I'm done with this, and I'm going to put it back, the lid, and I'm going to close this. I'm going to clean this applicator. Look, the cleaning was so easy. It's already clean. It's not like those makeup brushes where you really need to take time and energy and stuff. I've closed this. I'm going to wait for approximately 15 minutes or until it dries off, because it's written that we need to wait for 15 minutes. I'm thinking it will not get dried off so soon, but look at this, it's very shiny. It feels like it's going to do something to my skin. I left out this part, but yeah, whatever. So I will see you in 15 to 20 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes and it's dried and it's a bit tight, and I'm going to wash it off. Then let's see. It came off real good. I didn't have any issue, and scratching and scrubbing, it was really easy. Skin actually feels really moist and moisturized. It doesn't feel dry at all, and neither am I having any irritation. So I would say that this is really a good product for the first time use. But they say that we have to use the mask for like twice a week for best results, and the face wash twice a day for best results. I mean, a face wash is a face wash, but all in all, I would say it's a good product. And if you have sensitive skin, then you need to get some products that are good to your skin and not giving you any issues. So I would say that Pilgrim is a brand which offers you that, and I feel like this is for all skin types, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's for all skin types. This is what it's mentioned here, and the way it has been on my skin, I feel like it is for all skin types, and I would give this a thumbs up.